Waterkloof Model Railway Operator Training video series. In this video we are looking at the Z21 app from your mobile phone to control locomotives and turnouts. This is the first screen that you will see. The operators only have to be concerned about the control panel, which is this screen, which has the locomotives. To select a locomotive, there are two options. Either you can slide at the bottom until you see the loco you want, tap on it, and it is brought up into the control window. Speed by simply sliding up or down. And then there are two stop buttons. There's a stop right there, which stops the locomotive, and there is the emergency stop, which will stop the whole layout. All trains, everything will stop until that button is pressed again, and then it is reset. There is a second way of selecting a locomotive, and that is by sliding up, and there is a whole window of all the different locomotives. Simply tap on one that you want to control. It will be brought up, and you can control direction by pressing the arrows, and speed, and then also on that specific loco, which is sound equipped, you can see the function controls on the left hand panel: lights on and off, horn, dynamic brakes, another horn, that's a longer horn, that is to silence the sounds altogether, and announcement, all aboard, etc, etc. Coupler clank when the train is coupling, and then there's a second control if there are more functions. This one does only have one, and I cannot recall what it is for, but that is how the functions work on the Z21 app. The other little thing that you will see is the turnout, and that is to control the turnouts. A photograph of the specific layout station is shown on the screen, and the turnouts are superimposed, and you simply tap on the turnout and you will see it change position. Once this is set up completely, there will be platform 1, 2, 3 and mainline, and you will simply tap on a button that says platform 1, and all the turnouts will automatically be set. This will be the dispatcher's responsibility. You will have a dedicated device just for two stations to set the routes for Bloemfontein and for Power, the two stations that are DCC control turnout. To return to driving a locomotive, simply tap the speed control, and you are back to the locomotive control screen, where you can select any locomotive, direction, speed, light, etc. So that is the Z21 app. Another very important fact is the little Wi-Fi sign with a green tick mark, showing that it is connected to the dedicated Wi-Fi network that is part of the ROCO system. If I scroll down on this phone, you will see that it is connected to a network called Z21. That is a dedicated network only for the Z21 system. It does not have internet access. It is only for control devices for the train set.